Hello and welcome to the program Scientific Talks. Today, in this episode of Scientific Talks, I'll be discussing how lightning occurs and how it causes damage. Let's learn more about it. First, let's understand what lightning is. Lightning, or an electric flash in the sky, is the process of electrical energy accumulated in clouds being discharged toward the Earth. We observe it as flashes of light and hear it as thunder. It is a natural phenomenon, but it can have serious impacts on human life, animals, and property. Now let's understand what thunder is. First, the heat from the sun turns water into vapor, which rises into the sky. As it goes higher, the vapor cools and forms dense clouds. Along with the vapor, tiny dust particles are also carried upward by the wind and mix into the clouds. As the wind blows, the clouds move. Inside the clouds, water droplets, ice particles, hail, and dust collide with each other, creating friction. When these collisions become intense, loud sounds are produced, which we hear as thunder. Now let's understand how lightning is formed in more detail. As clouds collide and friction occurs, they generate electric charges. These electric charges are of two types: positive charge and negative charge. The positive charges accumulate in the upper parts of the cloud, while the negative charges settle in the lower part, closer to the ground. At the same time, the ground also accumulates positive charges. When the buildup of negative charges becomes too great, they start to descend from the cloud toward the Earth in an invisible, step-like manner, a process known as the step leader. As the positive charge from the ground rises to meet the descending negative charge, a complete electrical circuit is formed and a sudden release of electrical energy occurs. This is lightning. This lightning current is extremely powerful and, if it strikes living beings or trees, it can cause burning or even death. The energy generated by lightning can heat the surrounding air up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense heat causes the air to expand rapidly, creating a shock wave, which we hear as thunder. In this way, today I discussed what lightning is and how it forms. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'll be back again with more educational and interesting content in the future. Now here's a quick quiz for you. What is the process called when negative charges descend from the cloud to the Earth? Leave your answer in the comments. Thank you.